6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming the sharpest group of players in the entire world. We're welcoming Parni, Kumar, SD, Star, Rasiga Venkat. There is an issue with the chat not being shown. Can you please check it out? Yeah. Kausalya, JS Teets, RK Durai, Ramalingam Bian, Selva, Ritish, Kuku, KPMJ, and we're good. Suitable King 21 and Jayamani. So this is going to be the all correct version, right? So basic premise is you must get all 9 of them right and standing tall at the end of the match. And that's how you get to share the $3 prize. If you miss anything or you run out of time, all you have to do is to use a life and you can be back in the game. All right. So it's as simple as that and very straightforward. So before we get started, here comes a favorite riddle of mine. It's very, I thought it was very cute. So, what falls but never breaks? What breaks but never falls? So, what falls but never breaks? What breaks but never falls? So, Don, I think you're getting there, but waterfall, half the answer, right? Rain, dusk, sunset, love, water, sunset. You're kind of, you're almost there. Getting warm, but not quite. There's actually 2 words to this and two answers. All right. Okay. So just keep thinking about it, and then let's move on to the first question. Question number 1. 1, 3, 4, and the desired result is 2. Addition, subtraction are the operators, and there are 8 possible solutions. So let's see which one of them do you choose? Are you going to give me all 8 of them? Or, of course, in this one, it doesn't matter. Even if everybody gives the same answer, that's good. 4 out of 8 solutions have been given by 46 players. And so we have 46 of you who would be moving on to the next question. 4, 26, 3. The desired result is 10. Addition, subtraction, and division are in play. So there are only 2 solutions. So I think by now you should be used to it. And it's used to this one, right? You have seen this formula several times. So 27 of you. So it's not, it's not stumping you anymore. Now you have more than half of you solving it correctly. 27 of you have given the correct answer. 26 plus 4 is 30. Divided by 3 is 10. Great job as we move on to question 3. 8, 17, and 3. Desired result is 75. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. 4 possible solutions. How do you get 75 from 8, 17, and 3? Looks pretty straightforward to me. You've got 3 and then the other 2 numbers that give you 25. So is it 8 plus 17 times 3? So let's see. 17 of you have gotten it. So I guess this was a little bit tougher than the previous one. So 17 plus 8 is 25 times 3. 3 out of the 4 solutions have been used, and 17 of you moving on to question number 4. 20, 19, 3, and 4. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play to get 40. How do you get 40 from 20, 19, 3, and 4? And this one looks straightforward, just addition and subtraction, and no multiplication or division. Maybe this should have been question number 2, but no matter. And I hope you're noticing that in the question that it tells you what format you're playing, right? Elimination or distinct. 17 of you are still alive. To move on, we've got 8 out of the 90 possible solutions have been used, and 20 plus 19 is 39, plus 4 minus 3 is 1. So we've got 40. All right, so let's take a look at question 5. I believe it's decimals. 3.925. It looks intimidating, but it's not. 4.125, 4.2, 1.8, and 2.6 are the operators, are the operands. Addition and subtraction only. So there are 60 ways of getting this answer, 60 possible combinations, permutations, and so you should be able to use any one of them and get it. Network issue could be your problem, Cuckoo. So only 10 of you have gotten it, huh? So it turned out to be a little bit tougher than I expected. Only 10 of the 17 are moving on. Let's take a look at 6 out of the 60 solutions have been given. So let's take a look at question 6. 20, 16, 10, and 1. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication to get a desired result of 44. How do you get 44 from 20, 16, 10, and 1? It looks a little bit interesting. I just added them up, and that doesn't seem to get it. Or add and subtract. So there is a multiplication in there somewhere, and I couldn't figure that out. I hope somebody out of the 10 or somebody who used a life came back with it. Oh, 10 plus 1 is 11, and then 20 minus 16 is 4. 4 times 11 is 44. Of course, once somebody gives you the answer, it looks so simple. But but 7 of you have gotten it. And moving on to question 7. 7, 5, 20, and 18 to get desired result of 70. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. There are 12 possible solutions. And how do you get 70? And this one also looks tantalizing. It looks simple, right? There is a 20 there. Can we get a 10 somewhere and multiply 7 times 10? But I don't know how you solved it. Let me wait for your answers. Oh, 7 times 5 is 35. I went that far, but I didn't do the 20 minus 18. So that's 2 times 35 is 70. Great job, as 4 of you are in play, and I'm sure somebody else will jump in with a life, because if you have a life, this is the best time to come back in. So question 8, which is fractions. 7/6, 3 by 2, 1 by 3. Desired result is 3. Addition and subtraction are in play. There are 12 possible ways of doing it. So how do you do? I'm looking at 7/6. That's 1, little bit above 1, 1.5. So that still doesn't get me 3. So is it just a matter of adding them all up? And if that's what you have to do, then it was a pretty simple one. And I'm sure all the 4 of you who are there would be moving on. Wow, there's 4 more who used life, and it's just a matter of just adding them all up. So I noticed that nobody is giving any clues at this stage of the game. So I guess you're all playing it close to your vest and not revealing answers. Let's take a look at the final algebra question, which I'm sure it's very easy for you. I'm expecting 8 winners on this one at least. Desired result of 10, 4x, 2x, and 12 looks like a very easy answer to get this. And there are 8 possible solutions. And I'm sorry to see that a couple of you have lost your connections. That's too bad, especially at this stage of the game. That's very cruel. So please check and make sure that you have a good, strong internet connection, because that's, there's not much we can do about that. 8 of you, and yeah, I agree with you, Hanok. We'll move the algebra into a little bit, maybe earlier, or maybe make it a little bit harder. All right. So the answer to the riddle is, thank you for reminding me, Richard. It's uh, night and day. Night falls but never breaks. Day breaks but never falls. So I mean, I just loved the riddle. You guys were close, dawn, sunset, and all that stuff. But the words I was looking for was night and day. So 8 of you have solved all 9 of them correctly, or used lives and gotten back in. So 2 out of the 8 solutions were given, x equal to 1. So this was very easy. I agree. So we'll make it, either move algebra earlier or we'll make it a little bit tougher. And so great job. Let's take a look at the winners. 8 of you sharing $3 a piece, 38 cents, 38 cents a piece. I'm sorry, $3 not a piece. So Kausalya, Strange Thinker, Jeffy, AG, Richard, Ritesh, Jay Steets, and Winnie the Pooh. Congratulations to each and every one of you who played and won. And I thank you all for coming. And this is Saktivel signing off, reminding you that without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero, play Number Royale. Bye for now.